Welcome to our Gimbal Showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison between the AOCHUAN XPRO KIT and the AOCHUAN Smart X2AI. Both are designed to stabilize your smartphone videos, but they come with different features and price points. Let's find out which one is the best fit for your filming needs. When it comes to price, the AOCHUAN XPRO KIT is priced at $115 US, while the AOCHUAN Smart X2AI offers a more budget-friendly option at $94 US. This price difference can be significant for those looking to maximize their value while shopping for a gimbal. The AOCHUAN XPRO KIT boasts a range of features, including an OLED display, RGB magnetic refill light, and multiple shooting modes. In contrast, the Smart X2AI emphasizes AI tracking capabilities without the need for an app, making it easier for users to capture great footage on the go. In terms of design, the AOCHUAN XPRO KIT is slightly bulkier, weighing 375 grams, while the Smart X2AI is more compact at 355 grams. The integrated extension rod of the Smart X2AI also provides versatility in shooting angles, making it a great choice for those who prioritize portability. In conclusion, both the AOCHUAN XPRO KIT and the AOCHUAN Smart X2AI have their unique strengths. The XPRO KIT is ideal for those who want a feature-rich experience, while the Smart X2AI is perfect for users seeking an affordable and compact solution. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.